What?
Dinner.
Oh!
Okay.
You see that?
We were just preparing our food.
We
Made a sandwich.
and it is tuna and ham. So, welcome to the first annual episode.
Annual means yearly.
Welcome to the first episode of Frizz Mice Uncooked. Uncooked. Today we will be making a secret that we won't tell you guys until the end of the show today. Oh, good.
Yeah, really?
Mm-hmm. So, just assume we're done with the sandwiches, which we are.
I'm not.
Fair.
Okay.
We will start
You can
with
start.
some margarita mix, which is a crucial ingredient for this dish. You strictly have to get ice cone cups. You can't get any other plastic cups. It has to be these cups. Has to be.
It's true.
Crucial.
Well,
This. That's it.
it.
Just a gallon of that.
You should know your measurements.
Yeah, what's this one?
Okay. Alright.
Okay, you put that away. Have to put it away. Because if it mixes in the air with...
Now,
Yeah.
one more thing, a lot of people forget to put this in, and it really just destroys the flavor of quite literally the entire thing. You most definitely have to put in 4.5 peanuts. No more, no less. 1, 2.5, 3, 4.5 peanuts. So, now that we have the proper amount of peanuts, there's one more thing.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Popcorn kernels. Popcorn kernels are crucial because they bring out not only the flavor, they also...
No! Only 5, only 5, only 5.
Alright. They also have a lot of guarana and fructose. Yeah.
Also, you must read The Hurt Locker
That's a movie.
in 2 minutes, for 2 minutes.
Now we're going to add one more thing.
Yeah.
Popcorn salt.
Yep.
Most people say, Austin, why popcorn salt?
Austin, why popcorn salt?
Exactly. So I say, why not popcorn salt?
Alright? Can we get some applause? Stop! Too kind, no.
And now, we put it in
Microwave.
the microwave.
Oh, we forgot to mix. Put it back.
Oh, oops.
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 And you can only do this with bendy straws. Water. You need to get some water.
Watering it down also gives it more flavor.
Oomph. Oomph.
Oomph. That's the word I was looking for. Thanks, English. these things to work.
Get a little more salt. Thank you. And then, a little bit of love. Kiss it, kiss it, kiss it. Then, time to go in. Smack your butt there.
Yeah.
Alright. Then you put it in. And now you wait. But while we're waiting, why don't we get to our latest music video? Be right back. After we return. 1, 2, 3, 4! Hope you like that.
So we have finished, and we just wanted to show you what the final product of all this is. We have mini marshmallows.
Mini marshmallows!
Yay!
Now, the only good way to eat these marshmallows is if these are great for parties. So great for parties. And as a matter of fact, they're really good for hors d'oeuvres.
And parties.
And parties. And mix them with ham. It's great.
Is it? Because you look like you love it.
Thank you for joining us. This was Cooking with Fridge Mice Uncooked.